Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a home care service website using WordPress. You're going to design this particular beautiful professional looking website without writing any line of code. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. So this is the type of website we are going to design, exactly this particular website. So let me refresh it. This is exactly the type of website we are going to design by the end of this video. So by the end of this video, you will be able to design this particular website and know how you can be able to change these images to your own home care service image. These logos to your own partner logo. You can be able to change all these things. You can be able to change colors. You can be able to change typography. So redesign this particular website. Add your own information, business information to suit your own marketing needs. You can see this is a very professional looking website. Very professional looking. So by the end of this video, you are going to be able to get something exactly like this. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing you need for you to design any website without writing any code is Elementor. And that Elementor can only come through WordPress. So you need to install WordPress and use Elementor to design it. So you have to install WordPress first. So if you don't know how to install WordPress, I made a video on how to install WordPress. I'll put it in the video description so that you can watch that video if you don't have WordPress installed. Because if I should make a video on how to install WordPress and everything, this video is going to be very, very long. So I want this video to be short. So now, once you install WordPress, this is exactly what you are going to see. You are going to see exactly this dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard. Then once you land on this page, the first thing you need to do is to install theme. By default, this is how our website will look like. This is the default blog post. So now we need to add a fresh theme that will work together with that particular template we want to use. So now once you come and click on appearance, then click on themes. You see this particular add theme, you click on it, then you install this theme, Hello Elementor. Install it. So if you didn't find it here, just search for Hello Elementor here, then you find it. So you do what? You activate it. Once you are done activating it, the next step is to install plugins. Because plugins and themes, these are the two most important things when it comes to WordPress. Without plugin, you are not going to have any functionality, and without theme, your website structure will not look good. So now we have to go to plugins, click on install plugins. This way we can install new plugins. So in your own case, you might see this particular plugin. You can leave this particular plugin. It helps in site speed and caching. So now let's install the two plugins. Just click on add plugins. Then the first plugin we need to install is Elementor. Elementor is the first plugin we are going to install. So you install this particular one, that's the Elementor. Then the next plugin we need to install over here is a template kit import. So template kit import is the second plugin we are going to install. So once you search for it, just scroll down, see it over here, this template kit import. So you click on install. So once you are done installing it, the next thing is you come back to install plugin. Click on install plugin, mark this particular plugin, click on bulk action, click on activate, then click on apply. So once you click on it, it will be what? Activated. And once it is activated, then we proceed to the next stage. So now the next thing we are going to do is to create pages. So you need to have pages that you will work on. So that is the page we are trying to create. So now, for us to create a page, you come to your WordPress dashboard, click on all pages. Then once you click on all pages, then you click on, by default you are seeing this particular page. Then let's trash this sample page. You can leave it if you want, you can rename it if you want. Then click on add page. So now in this video I'm going to show you how to work on the home page. So once you use the process I will follow to design the home page, I want you to use the same process to design other pages like about us, contact us, and other pages, services. So all those pages will come together with this particular template. So let's design home. So once you type home, you come over here, you're going to see default template. You see template, default template. Click here, then you choose either Elementor canvas or Elementor full width. In my own case, I usually go for Elementor full width. So once you click on Elementor full width, click on publish, because we are doing everything on Elementor. So once you publish, then you go back. Now by default, this particular page is not our home page. You can see this is not our home page, it is a different page. So let me go and show you how you can make it the home page. For us to make this particular page our home page, you come to setting, click on reading. Once you click on reading, by default our home page, this is a blog post. Hello world, this is a post. So that is by default, our website has blog post as the default. So we now change it, click on a static page. Then in this particular home page, you click on home. Then if you have other pages like I told you, you can use for blog, you select it here, then click on save changes. So now once we are done, let's go back to that page. I want to show you something. So let's click on all pages. You can see home, it is now our front page. So now if we refresh the website now, you can see, so there are changes on the website. So now let's go back. Now once you are done, the next thing is to import this particular template. So what you are going to do is you hover over these tools, you are going to see tools, you are going to see template kit, then you click on it. So once you click on it, you can click over here to import, or click over here to import the template. Don't worry, I'll show you where to get the template, just follow up. So now I click here to import the template. So it's loading. So now just let me import the template. So it is importing, it doesn't take time. So the template has imported successfully. You can see it. You can see the same website here now. Let's scroll up. You see, it's here now. Sorry, it's here now. So now once you import it, the first thing you're going to do is to install the needed requirement here now. Pop up, install all of them, click on install. To install other plugins, you know, we installed 2 plugins earlier. If you go back to that plugin session, all these plugins now will be installed by them, by this particular template. Now you close, so it's successful. Then we are done. The notification is gone. Then the second thing is import the global style. The global style has been imported successfully. Without importing the global style, you are not going to get the design correctly. So now for you to get this particular template, I'll put a link to this page in the description. So this is where you can get it. I'll put a link to this page in the description. So you click the link in the description to land on this page. Then you click on, if you used to purchase things online with Google Pay or Apple Pay, you can use Google Pay. If you are using Apple devices, it will prompt you, it will show Apple Pay. Use it, and once your payment is successful, this particular template will be sent to your email, and also a page where you will download it will show on your screen. Then you download it and also have it in your email forever. Then the next thing is, if you don't have Apple Pay, then you need to use your credit card or debit card. So for you to do that, you click on add to cart. So once you click on this add to cart, then it will take us to the cart page, then for us to proceed so that we can use a credit card or debit card to purchase this particular template. So once you land on this page, go straight and click on proceed to checkout. So once you click on this particular proceed to checkout, here now you enter your first name, you enter your last name, you select your country over here, you put your email address, then here now you enter your credit card or debit card details here. Then this particular payment is powered by Stripe, the most trusted payment gateway, so far. So now you enter your credit card or debit card details over here, you click on buy now. Once your payment is successful, this particular template will be sent to your email, and also a page to download it will show on your screen. Then you download it and also have it in your email forever to download or re-download anytime you want. So once you are done, then you come back, then you come to this particular place, you click on here now to upload it. Once you click on here, you upload it the same way I did, or you click on, let's go back to the home page of sorry, I clicked something else, template kit. So yes, so I just came back to the home page of template kit. No thanks. So now here now you can click this particular upload template kit zip file. So you are going to download the zip file and you upload it. Then you're going to have the same thing I have here. So now once you have it, then it's time for us to start our design. So the first thing we need is there is a plugin that I usually use to design our header footer, because that's the first thing we need to design on a website. The website need to have our header or our footer. So that is but for this particular video, I'll first of all design the home page so that people will see how the home page will look like. Then I will now come back and we start designing the header and footer. So now let's go to the home page, all pages. So then click on edit. So we click on edit, then you click edit with Elementor, because Elementor is the tools we are going to use to design this particular website without writing any single line of code. So we are going to design the home page. Once I'm done designing the home page, then I will now go and design the header and the footer of the website, so you can see how everything works. So once you land on this page, the first thing you are going to do is you click here. So you can see it, Elementor element. Once you click on it, then you click on view installed kit. Then we insert home page, find home page. Here now you can see other pages. You can see about us. So the same way I used to import this particular home page, you create about us page and import it. Then do what? Edit it. You create a service page, import it and edit it. You create themes page, import it. Same way, pricing, blog, frequency asked question page, contact us page. That's how we are going to do on all pages. So by default, you're supposed to have like 5 to 6 pages you are going to design for this particular website to make it look professional and make sure that have all your company details in your website. So once this particular template is loaded, then we proceed. So now you can see now this is our website. So I just installed it, very professional looking. Now it's time for us to edit this particular website. So now take for instance, you want to change this background color, because most of you will like to change things. So click on this place, you come to style, you see the background color, you see the background color here now, see it here. So let's move around. You can see it's changing. So if you want to change the background color, maybe your own brand have another color, see how you can change it. Now if you come to this background, it has I think it has two colors. Let me check. Overlay type, no. So you can see it. So just move around with it, then change it. It has two colors. See the second color. The second color is white, the one below. So this is a gradient color. That's why it has two colors. You can see that this below here now is changing because it has two colors. So how can you achieve two colors in a design? By choosing a gradient background instead of classic. Once you choose a gradient background, you will have two color option. If you choose a classic background, you have one color option to choose. So that's the first thing. So then now it's time for us to change things. So now this, you see this image, click on it, see it over here, you change it. Now if you want to change this particular image background, you see this particular background, you click on this particular place. Let me just scroll up, click here, then click on style. I told you once you want to work on anything on any website, any styling, you choose the style. If you want to change typography or color, you're going to click on style. So once you click on style, you click on background. So let me check something. You can see, you can see, you can see it's changing. Now there's another thing. You can see that as the color is changing, the color is having something different. That is because we they added the overlay. So what you can do there is, you see this image overlay. Now you can find another good background image. You can see it's a background image. Take for instance, let me say I want to use one of the images over here. Let me just scroll down and see if I can find a better image to explain something. Let's say I want to, let me use this particular image now as the overlay. So once I use the image as the overlay, you can see now it is showing, and the color that I choose, this color now, the background color is now there. The background color, if I change the background color, you can see background color now is there. So now for you to make this particular background overlay look unique, you need to get a very classic image to use for a background overlay, something like this. There's a name they call this type of image. Just you create something like this. They call some background, they have something they call texture background and different type of background. This is purely background. If you are a developer, if you are a graphic designer, you understand what I'm trying to say. So you have to create that type of background, then you import it. So if you want your own to be different from this particular website, then you create your own. But if you don't want your own different, you leave this one. Then once you leave it, then you now change colors, because once you change color, by default everything changes. So the same thing goes to this particular one. Just click here. So once you click there, click on style, then you come to colors, background type classic. That is why it has one color. If you choose gradient, you have two colors. So now here, now you move around, you move around, you move around. So you see I changed the color. So but it still maintain the same background overlay. Background overlay, the same background overlay. So you can change the background overlay like I told you. You get your texture background or other type of background, put it there, it will do the same work. So that is how you can change it, because I know most of you will like to rebrand, because some people don't have this particular default color as their branding color. So most of you will like to rebrand. So I'm showing you how you can do that. So now you can see I just changed that. So here now you already know how to change text. Just click on it, you now change your text. say, let me say supports. You can see. Then for you to this particular place now, click on it, you put a link. You have to link this particular place, this read more. See, once you click on it, this link session, you put a link to your contact page or about us page where people can read more about your business. So you can put a link here. So now once you are done, you scroll down. Then if you want to change this particular place, you have partners already, so you want your partners image to be logos to be here. Just anyone you click, you change the logo. Anyone you click, you change the logo. Anyone you click, you change the logo. So the same way, you come over here, you want to change this particular image in the background, so you click here, click on style. Then that image, I think, is an overlay image. So it's not an overlay image. That means the image is an image inside the image. So let's right click this container now, edit container. So then you see, so it is inside the container. This is an overlay image, overlay box. So just right click and you find this particular container box. This is a background image. The background type is an image. So you can see, you can change that. Then also change this text, write about you, short description of about you. This particular countdown, this is where you can change it. It is 53. You can write 77 and it will count to 77. So let's see, it's 77. So you can just do that the same way. So this particular this is a mark you text. So you can just this particular thing, home comfort, if you want to change it, you see, once you click on it, you see these three items. First item says expert care. See it here. So you change it to your own, let's say instead of expert I write good care. Just let's watch. So now you see that when it passed this text passed over here, you are going to see something. Let's wait for the first one, the first item. You see it, good care, good care. Now that's first item. Second item, you change it. Let's say home care. Then third item, I can say enhancing people, enhancing enhancing people lives. So you can see now my own text is written home care, enhancing people lives. So if you want to now change the color, you just click on style. Like I told you, the color here now is this icon is blue, so you can change the icon color. Let's say, let me say I want to use, you can see the icon color has changed. Then the main color, text color, is black, so you can change that text color. But if you want to change the background color, you just click on this particular one. Once you click here now or here, so yes, click here, then you change the background color. So you can see the background color has changed. That's how you can change it. You can see everything here is changeable, editable, the way you want. So you use the same procedure and work on around. If you want to change background of this one, just come to style. See, come to style. Let's check whether it's the main one. No, click on it, come to style. This is it, primary color. Okay, no, it's not it. Let me find the background. The background. Background. So let me find it and So if you want to change background of this one, is a little bit different from the other one. So you click on it. So once you are seeing the icon, you can change the icon. Go to icon library. Let's find any icon in sets. So you change the icon, then it's time to change the background. So instead of coming here, the background type is not here. So it is in advanced section. So inside this advanced section now, you scroll down and come to background. You click on background. You scroll down, you can see that overlay here now. So now you come here now, then this is where you can now add background color. So okay, this one is not doesn't have color. This one is the particular background image, so you can change it. Take for instance, let me just delete it. You can see I just deleted it, so it turned to a color. Then if you need it, you return it back. So the background is, they just choose this particular, okay, they have another gradient color, they just used it and it turned out to be that way. So that is how you can change this particular background. So you saw what I did. So you can add another background. Take for instance, let me just use this image and see what is going to happen there. You see something, it changed. It just picked up some section of this image and fixed it that way. So you can use any background you want. So now that's how you can change it. This particular place is a video. So what you are going to do is click on it. You are going to see here now, video URL. Paste your YouTube video link and YouTube. Then here now you are going to select, if you are using another streaming software, you put, if you are using self-hosted, you click self-hosted, then you upload your video to your server. But I don't support you uploading your video to your server. It will consume your server resources. So use YouTube, paste your YouTube link, video link, and it will once people click on it, they will watch your video on your website. So you can see, so everything now I've shown you how you can edit it. You want to edit this particular place, you click on it. Now you can see, so the star rating session, you can see it shows star rating, yes. So testimony, if you want to edit the testimony session, you click on this particular testimony. See it, number one testimony, click on it, see what the person's name is here now. Then what is the person that you see, they wrote client, then you write client or customer, then whatever the person said, you write it here. The person's image, you choose avatar and write and upload the person's image. Once you are done for the first one, you click the second one, do the same thing, third one, do the same thing. If you have more than 3, you click on add item, then you follow the same process and do the same thing. So that's how to add that testimony. This particular one, you just come over here and edit it one by one. 4.5. So click here, the star rating is 5. Click here now, you choose. Click here now, you write whatever you want to write over here. So that's the kind you can edit it. This place is your blog post. So once you start publishing blog posts on your website, automatically it will start appearing here. So let's publish this particular website and I'll show you how it will look. So now let's refresh our homepage. So this is our, you can see centralbydigital.com/YT, which is our test page. You can see that everything we edited appeared just like we did it. So this particular this particular play button, just do the same thing just like the other one. So let me just show you. You see this play button, just no, yes, just once you click on edit, you can see where you put the video here. So that's how you can do it too. So you can see everything we edited just like the way it is. You see, you can do it, you can do it. Your website need to look professional, so you can do a lot with WordPress. So you can see it, so this is very, very professional looking. So now, but we don't have the footer, and our website header is not up yet here. So you can see the header is still showing my blog. So now it's time for us to go and design the header and footer of this website. So you can see that your home page is professional looking. So you change images to your own image, you change typographies, you change write-ups, change colors. then it becomes your website. So now I will install a new plugin. This particular plugin is the plugin I prefer when it comes to designing header and footer because it's very, very fast. So now once I click on plugin, I'll click on add new. So then I'll click on elements kit. So that's the plugin that I prefer. This particular plugin can do the header footer, but I don't like it, so I prefer this one, element kit. So you can use this one or you use this one. Just click on header footer, then you can design, but I prefer element kit. So it's very fast for me, the fastest. So see it over here, just click on header footer and you are good to go. So now you come to add new template. Header, you can write it any name, header. So you can write any name, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is display the row type. You are going to select header. If you select footer, it will go to the footer. So you click on activate, save changes, then you click on edit. So once you click on edit, you click on edit content, then we are now going to add our website header. So that's how we can add our website header to the website. So the page is loaded successfully, just like the home page. You click here, then you click on view installed kit. The first thing what we need here is the header. So scroll down, let's find the header. See it here, insert header. So we are importing the header. So our header has been imported successfully. So this particular place, your menu will be here. So your menu will be here. So then the header background, just click here now, then you click on style, then you click on classic, then let's add some background. Let's add some background here. So that adding some background. I think this color is the background color. So now here, now you already know how to link, just like the other place you link it. So you publish, come back, refresh. So you can see our header is active. You see, so once we put menu will appear here. So now let's I will select the menu. Then once I upload this, because I have menu but there is no content in the menu, so that I upload it. Once I create content for the menu, it will appear. So let's go back. After creating the footer, I'll create the content for the menu. So now the next thing is to create footer. Just click on add new template. Here now you select footer, then here type footer, entire website, activate, save changes. Then the next thing is edit, click on edit content. So it will start loading for us to edit the content. So once the page loads, just like the other ones, click on here, then click on view installed kit. Then let's find the footer. So this is the footer. So insert the footer. So we are inserting the footer. So you can see now the footer is successfully imported. So you publish it. So now here now you can change the footer your logo. Yeah. So the same way, use the same way to change your logo in the header. I forgot to tell you that. So you can change your logo, your company logo, you add it here. Now anywhere you want to change, just click on this box. You want to link your home page. Take for instance, I want to link this my home page to that place. So I'll copy it, the link to my home page, come here now, click this place, the road home. Once I click on it, you see where the right link, I'll paste it. That's linked to my home page. Then this particular way, let's say this place you want it to be services. So you write it, you see it changed. Then you paste link to your services here. Then the same way you do others. So you do others. If you want to change this phone number here, just click on it. If you click on it, you see the phone number here, just clean it and add your own phone number. Then the right up, just click on it, put the right up, the icon, click on it. You can change the icon the same way I used in changing that icon background. You can do the same thing by coming to advanced, scrolling down to background, and that is where you can change the icon background, so you can see it. So use the same way to edit everything here. This particular place, I think what is here is social icon. So let's check the social icon. This is Facebook. Okay, background color black, icon color white. For some reasons, let's just publish. If your own is not showing, then delete it. Let me just refresh the website and I'll show you the next option in case it's not showing very well. So you can see our header is here. Then we scroll down, everything in place, perfect, professional. Just scroll down. So I'll add a blog post. You can see the footer is here now. So now this particular place now, if you want, just if it's not showing, just delete it. But before then, let's add the click here, add the then search for social icon. Social. So just search for social. There are many social icons here. So we can use this one. Just drag it and drop it here. Then you can delete this one. Then use this one. So this one is professional too. Here now, just add link to your Facebook page here and you are good to go. Same thing here. So after which you publish it. So it's also, this one is also professional. Then this particular place, change it to your own website. So you see, change it to your own website, it will appear there. Copyright, all right reserved, also you can change it over here. So once you are done, you publish it. Then let's refresh our website. You can see everything is perfect. So that's how you can design this particular website. So now let's go back. Let me just go and add something to the menu. So just come to appearance. You're going to see menus. I already have a menu which I wrote main. So I just want to add this home page to the menu. So once I add it, I click on save. Then I come to the website. I will refresh. So once I refresh the website now, you can see that at the top it's already showing me home here. So any other page, well, if I have like five of them will appear here. So the header will look good. So then for the blog post section, come to posts, then all posts. Here now you can add new posts. You can add new posts, but in this case I will edit the previous post and add an image to it so that you can see that once you add a post, so this is the featured image. Let me just add a featured image. So let me use this particular image as the featured image. Save changes. So then refresh. So scroll down. You can see the post. See how the post look. So if we come here now and add 4 posts, let's say here now you came here and added first, second, third, 4 posts, this particular place will be populated with those posts. So that's how you can do it. So if you have watched this video to this point, I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share And if you encounter any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. And also I have my link to my contact details in the description, so you can contact me too to fix any error on the website for you. So share this video and let me know if you have gotten your own template. Even if you are just testing, get this particular template for you to design it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.